Hi, I'm Chris Peacock, and this is Doctor Who, Season 3, Episode 12, The Sound of the Drums. When we last left off, there is another Time Lord. He has stolen the TARDIS. The Doctor, Jack, and Martha, I almost said Rose. I'm sorry. I know Martha would be pissed. She probably wouldn't care if I called her Bertha, but if I called her Rose, she would be pissed. I know it. So sorry, Martha. They are abandoned, trapped in the future. I guess it's not the future if you're there. It's the present if you're there. And we're in the past. So yeah, they're trapped. The Master has, I'm assuming, returned to Martha's present because I'm assuming that he is Saxon. I might be wrong. I have nothing to base that on other than the fact that there's only 2 episodes left and we haven't met Saxon yet. Plus, Martha recognized the voice. That's the biggest clue. Martha recognized the voice, and I am assuming that she would know Saxon's voice. And yes, I have a screwdriver in my hand. It's one of the tiny little mini screwdrivers. If you watch Vikings, this week's episode of Vikings, which on YouTube might not line up, like when this episode goes up on YouTube, the episode that went up this week of Vikings might not be the episode I'm talking about. But I was playing with this the entire episode of Vikings, and I'll probably be playing with it this entire episode too. And by playing with it, I just mean like holding it in my hand, going like this, not like an action figure or something. All right, let's just start the episode. I'm clearly tired. Oh, geez. I just was thinking they were going to fix that. Like, I thought that would take the whole episode. Like, I thought they would be in the future, the entire episode, trying to get that thing fixed. Like, I did think that this was going to be how they got back. I just thought it would take... Like, I thought we'd have a plot line with them being the only people left with the bad things trying to get in. I forgot what they were called. And that they'd have to... Because all the other people left, but all the bad things were still on the planet. So I thought they would have to contend with them while they're trying to get this taken care of. But no, it's just the beginning of the episode. It's all taken care of. All right. Okay.
It's broken. It hasn't worked for years. That's because you didn't have me.
I guess we... This is what I thought. I just thought it would take the whole episode.
But hold on. If he could be anyone, we missed the election. But it can't be.
Mr. Saxon has returned from the palace and is greeting the crowds inside Saxon headquarters.
What is that?
A gas mask.
I beg your pardon?
It's a gas mask.
It wasn't obvious?
Yes, but, why are you wearing it?
I would already be out of the room, or at least trying. Maybe the door is locked, but as soon as someone who's threatening you puts on a gas mask, you immediately know there's going to be toxic gas. I mean, come on. Have you ever seen... I can't even think. Oh my god. This is stupid. Not this is stupid. This is funny. You are stupid.
Jack, who are you phoning? You can't tell anyone we're here. Just some friends of mine, but there's no reply.
Here you go, any good?
I can show you the
Torchwood?
Saxon websites. He's been around for ages.
Why is there no reply at Torchwood?
Everything's a lie.
How do you know any of this?
The school days, his degree, even his mother and father.
She
it's
knows.
all invented.
She's in on it.
Harold Saxon never went to Cambridge. There was no Harold Saxon.
Mrs. Brooke, now stop it.
Even now, they've said that the cabinet's
Yeah,
gone
she definitely...
What does that mean? Seclusion?
The wife
How
knows.
could I know?
Go away
I've got plenty of research
before you're
on
dead.
The thing is, I made my choice.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
For better or for worse. Isn't that right, Harry?
My faithful companion. Harold Saxon doesn't exist.
And tell me, who are you?
I'm
The
the
Master.
master. And these are my friends.
Okay, who are they?
The lady doesn't like us.
Silly lady. No. Dead lady. Citizens of Great Britain, I have been contacted. A message for humanity from beyond the stars.
People of the earth, we come in peace.
They're called the Toclafane.
What?
And tomorrow morning they will appear, not in secret, but to all of you. Diplomatic relations with a new species will begin.
Ow!
I love the Master. That bomb just had dynamite written on it. It was just sticks of dynamite.
Is there someone else there?
Yes! Just run! That's me! Just run!
See, I like the dad. Even if I do think he cheated on the mom.
Just made first contact, did you see? What are you doing? Get off! Lydia, tell her! Happening test! It's your fault! It's all your fault! I was helping you! Get out of here! Get out! Target identified.
Arthur, reverse.
Take aim. Go now!
Who are those creatures? Because there's no such thing as the Toclafane. That's just a made-up name like the bogeyman.
Do you remember all those fairy tales about the Toclafane when we were kids? Back home. Where is it, Doctor?
Gone. I was the only one who could end it. And I tried. I did. I tried everything.
What did it feel like, though? Two almighty civilizations burning.
I've been alone ever since. But not anymore. Don't you see? All we've got is each other.
Are you asking me out on a date?
We could stop this right now. We could leave this planet. We can fight across the constellations if that's what you want, but not on Earth.
Too late. Here come the drums. Here come the drums.
What have you done? Tell me how you've done this. What are those creatures? Tell me!
Oh, look, you're on TV. Oh, there you are.
As the captain, they are known to be armed and extremely dangerous.
You can tell, handsome Jack, that I've sent his little gang off on a wild goose chase to the Himalayas, so he won't be getting any help from them.
Okay.
Tell your people. The world is waiting.
Okay. So what are these things really?
Children of Gallifrey, taken from that family's age of 8 to enter the academy. Some say that's where it all began. When he was a child, he stood in front of the untempered schism. It's a gap in the fabric of reality.
Okay.
Some would be inspired. Some would run away. And some would go mad.
Clearly the Master went mad.
It's in the phones. Oh, I said he was a hypnotist. Wait. Hold on. There it is. Layers of code. Vote Saxon. Believe in me. Whispering to the world. Ah, yes. That's how he hid himself from me, because I should have sensed it was another time Lord on Earth. I should have known way back then. The signal cancelled them out. And it doesn't make us invisible, just unnoticed.
Huh.
Oh, I know what it's like. It's like when you fancy someone and they don't even know you exist. That's what it's like. Come on!
Okay.
You too, huh?
Don't run.
That was great. You too, huh?
But first contact cannot take place on any sovereign soil. To that purpose, the aircraft carrier Valiant is en route. The rendezvous will take place there at 8 a.m. You're trying my patience, sir.
So America is completely in charge.
Since Britain elected an ass, yes.
I don't know. I just really like the Master.
protecting the skies of planet Earth.
Huh. What year? That looks a lot like the Shield helicarrier, and I was just thinking. I mean, I know even predating this, there's been that kind of concept, but this predates the first Avengers movie, so. Huh. Interesting. I mean, I guess the Shield helicarrier was pretty much designed to look like a warship, because it started out in the water and then went up. And that looked like a warship, you know, like a aircraft carrier. That's what I'm trying to think of. So yeah, I guess there's only so many ways you would design that.
What's it doing on the Valiant? What the hell's he done?
Don't touch it.
I'm not going to.
What's he done, though?
What's he
Sounds
done?
like it's sick.
It can't be. It's a paradox machine.
At this speed, it'll trigger at 2 minutes past 8.
First contact is at 8, then 2 minutes later.
What's it for? What does a paradox machine do?
More important, can you stop it?
Not that I know what it's doing.
For as long as man has looked to the stars, he has wondered what mysteries they hold.
If I can get this around the master's neck, cancel out perception, they'll see him for real. It's just hard to go unnoticed when everyone's on red alert. If they
And the master knows you're there.
My name is Arthur Coleman Winters, President-elect of the United States of America, and designated
Elect?
representative.
President-elect? So you're not the president yet? If you're president-elect, then we're in that grace period between voting and January, whatever day in January. So the previous president would still be the president. I don't know. Whatever.
Where's my master? Pretty please.
Oh, all right then. It's me. Hello! As if a perception filter's gonna work on me.
And look, it's the girly and the freak. Although, I'm not sure which one's which.
Laser screwdriver. Who'd have Sonic? And the good thing is, he's not dead for long. I get to kill him again!
And if Lazarus made himself younger, what if I reverse it? Another 100 years?
Doctor, I've got you.
Ah, she's a would-be doctor.
Here come the drums!
This guy is nuts. I love it. It's almost Star Wars.
Is he landing calling? What do we do? They're killing us. The Toclafane, the Toclafane, they're killing us. They're killing
I'm coming back.
With what, though?
So it came to pass that the human race fell, and the earth was no more.
I love the Master. The Master's hilarious. I mean, I'm not rooting for him, don't get me wrong, but awesome. I'm just going to go right into the next episode. Hopefully you enjoyed, and I will see you in that episode.